Been in here all day. Everything's still dry. I'm impressed with these little bags. Get enough roll downs on them. Look at that. And just clip it on right there. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some small dry bags from the company Treklean, I think's how you would say that. And this is the one that I've been using right here. I actually have two here. I have a 5 liter and I think this is a 10 liter. I have not used the 10 liter yet, but I've been using the 5 liter. They came in this little, you know, tube right here. Check this out, how they came in a nice little tube. And I'll show you kind of how the functions of this. You want to roll down 3 to 4 times the top, and then you want to use like the carabiner. It comes with a supplied carabiner. Actually, let me just open this one and show you what came all with this. I love the colors of these. It come with this carabiner right here, which I mean, it's a nice carabiner. It has a bottle opener. I like using my own because I clip mine on a big area there. And this has been working great. This has been inside my kayak. Every time I go out on my kayak, I take this bag with me, and it's been super dry. I keep all my kind of camera gear and a bunch of random things in it. It's waterproof, it's lightweight, it's packable, it's got ripstop, and that's what that is, ripstop. It's got a little kind of max load thing down here. It says 8 kg, a little hanger right there. And how you're going to do this, it opens up, and this is one of the roll down type designs. You close it very tightly, roll down 4 times, and then collapse over on itself like that. And then look at that air trapped in there. These things have been very dry. I have been very impressed with these. This is something I recommend for everybody that just gonna be around the water like me a lot, and you need something that will kind of like keep your gear dry, whether it's camera, food, cell phone, whatever. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Treklean gear bags. 5 liter, 10 liter. See y'all in the next video.